Twitter began accepting public verification requests for the first time since 2017. How to apply if you're eligible. 3 years after Twitter shut down its public verification program, the microblogging platform on Thursday announced that it has begun rolling out its new verification application process starting today, allowing public applications from eligible users for verified status on the platform. Twitter says that its new verification process is aimed at increasing transparency, credibility, and clarity to the verification process. Back in November 2017, the company had tweeted that it was pausing its general verification process as people had begun to interpret it as an indicator of importance or endorsement. It has also stated that it would rework the program in the coming months, but that plan got sidetracked by the company's efforts to prepare for the 2020 US election criteria. After public consultation, the microblogging platform is relying on a new policy for verification on the basis of public feedback. It has also started automatically removing verified badges from user accounts that do not match its new criteria for verification. Users can now apply to receive a verification badge on their profile starting today if they meet Twitter's revised criteria. Companies, brands and organizations, news organizations and journalists, entertainment, sports and gaming, activist organizers and other influential individuals. Starting today, the new verification process will roll out to everyone on Twitter, allowing them to begin applying for verification on the platform. If you want to get started with the process, here's what you need to do. Step 1. Head to the Twitter application settings and tap on the account section and select the request verification option. Step 2. You should see a screen that tells "Tell us who you are," which offers you the categories that satisfy Twitter's new criteria mentioned above. Step 3. You will then be asked to prove your identity by submitting an official ID or an email address or bylines in a publication or an official website. Step 4. Submit your request and wait for Twitter to revert back. This could take a few days or a few weeks according to Twitter. Twitter says that if your application is approved, you will immediately receive a blue badge on your profile. If not, you will be able to apply after a 30-day period and go through the process again.